I went by your house, what a big mistake. But for a while I thought that I wouldn't break. I need something else to clear my head, someone to tell me how to live instead. Just open your eyes and take my advice. Stop rolling the dice and just compromise. It's the chance of your life. Okay, try to be brave. You have so much to say. Take control of your own life. Right now, every mistake makes you feel like a fake. Take control of your own life. Without any thought, I keep moving on. I don't even care if my soul is gone. So many words that I should have said. Not concerned about how to live instead. Just open your eyes and take my advice. Stop rolling the dice and just compromise. It's the chance of your life. Okay, try to be brave. You have so much to say. Take control of your own life. Right now, every mistake makes you feel like a fake. Take control of your own life. Nothing in life is good. Tired and misunderstood. I would fight if I could. If I believed I should. Okay, try to be brave. You have so much to say. Take control of your own life. Okay, try to be brave. You have so much to say. Take control of.
Hi everyone, so we are really excited. We are on our way to Northshire, which is magical accommodation, which is up north. It's near Saltburn by the Sea in Yorkshire. We can't wait to go. They've got some really cool themed magical style cottages and huts. Some of them are sort of Harry Potter themed. They've got a Hagrid style type of hut. They've got another cottage hut themed after the Hobbit. So we're just so excited. It's going to be magical. The weather is not great, but that's not going to stop us having fun. So follow us along and see how we get on.
Okay, try to be brave. You have so much to say. Take control of your own life. Right now, every mistake makes you feel like a fake. Take control of your own life. Without any thought, I keep moving on. I don't even care if my soul is gone. So many words that I should have said. Not concerned about how to live instead. Just open your eyes and take my advice. Stop rolling the dice and just.
Hi everyone, so we have arrived at Northshire and we are so excited because we are staying in the top secret dorm room. So we are the first ever people to ever stay in this particular accommodation at Northshire. So Northshire make magical accommodation and stays. You've just found a spell book, haven't you? So they make magical accommodation, and this particular one it's a little bit Harry Potter sort of style here. It's a dorm room, so it reminds us of the Gryffindor dorm room, and it actually comes with 6 beds. So we've got 6 beds to choose from. We've got a fireplace, lovely seating area. The boys are a bit tired after the long journey here, so they're just resting at the moment for a bit of screen time. There they are there. Say hi, boys.
Hi!
So yeah, so these are the dorm. This is the dorm room. These are the beds. Fantastic. Over here, that's the spell book. Over here, we have the kitchen. And in a second, we're going to open the door to the bathroom. So that's the kitchen. So fantastic. And loads of detail in here. Lovely grandfather clock. I'm just going to open the door to... Should we open the door? So, jumping out at me. This is the bathroom. It's so magical. It's the shower. It's just the theming here is just excellent. This is a whole other unique stay. I mean, this is glamping to the max. This is just fantastic. We are so excited to stay here. So yeah, fantastic self-catering here. You've got microwave, you've got all the amenities that you need. I'll just turn it round. So hi, so yeah, so we're so excited. So obviously it's located near Whitby, near Saltburn by the sea. So very close to that. So Whitby's got sort of a magical sort of history. So we're looking forward to go and explore some of that this weekend. But yeah, can't wait to show you more of Northshire.
Take control of your own life. Right now, every mistake makes you feel like a fake. Take control of your own life. Without any thought, I keep moving on. I don't even care if my soul is gone. So many words that I should have said. Not concerned about how to live instead. Just open your eyes and take my advice. Stop rolling the dice and just compromise. It's the chance of your life. Okay, try to be brave. You have so much to save. Take control of your own life. Right now, every mistake makes you feel like a fake. Take control of your own life. Nothing in life is good. Tied in beside dice and just compromise. It's the chance of your life. Okay, try to be brave. You have so much to save. Take control of your own.
Hi everyone, so I just wanted to do another quick video. So the boys have woken up and they have gone straight outside to have a play. It's a beautiful sunny morning. Straight outside our accommodation there is a play area over there, so the boys are just playing now, and they are some of the huts that you can stay in here at Northshire, and I've just been down a minute ago and had a walk down the other way, and there is a view of the sea and some of their other cabins that you can stay at. But yeah, we're having such a fantastic time here at Northshire. The accommodation is just amazing, it really is. It's so, well, the attention to detail is fantastic. It's just so magical. But our actual accommodation, there's so much space. Having the Gryffindor, similar to the Gryffindor, the dorm room style beds are fantastic. The boys just think it's so much fun. It really has been a magical stay. We definitely would recommend it. And the location wise, so close to the sea. So close to some fantastic destinations. We really enjoyed Whitby yesterday. So yeah, no, it's fantastic. We're really enjoying it here at Northshire.